Unknown.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in New York City with my friends. This is Sierra and this is Sophia. And so we all just met, like just now, and our only mutual friend actually canceled on our trip. Anyway, so we actually don't have an Airbnb set or anything because, like, I don't know, there were just a lot of problems. So we're literally sitting here in the New Jersey airport, like, trying to figure out what Airbnb to get cheap and, like, who's paying for it because we all have to Venmo. But then it's, like, it's just really complicated. And we've all been stressed about it all day because we don't have an Airbnb. But we are booking it right now. Hopefully, we're trying. And yeah, just wish us luck. So we finally, after a bunch of stuff happened, we got on this train from Newark to New York, and like, oh my gosh, so much happened and we were so confused, but we got it and we're doing good at this tourist thing, so here we go. Our great Airbnb host was like, oh actually, yeah, our thing wasn't available, so that got canceled, so now we're looking at more Airbnbs, and we're literally sitting in Penn Station, like, on our suitcases, and Sophia's just like walking around. Wait. Struggling. Alright, we finally got a place in Chelsea, very excited, and we can finally go set our stuff down, stop being stressed. Oh, we did it, guys. We're New Yorkin. We're not homeless. We were like, we'll just sleep in here tonight, honestly, it's warm. Oh. We're officially in the city. Welcome. This is both of their first times, and I see Jordan's apartment, but he's not here yet. He's still in the Dominican Republic right now, so I'm gonna see him this weekend, but hello, Jordan's apartment. Okay, we're here at our sketchy little, actually it's not really sketchy, but the guy was like, yeah, just don't tell anyone it's an Airbnb. We're like, okay, yeah, it's fine. Also, it's like really close to Jordan's place, like a block over, so it's really nice. All right, we're walking up to our Airbnb. Look how cute. This is so New York, I'm living for it. Welcome back to day 2 in New York. Today our plan is to go to the Brooklyn Bridge and Chinatown, I think. We slept in until 1 o'clock. I think it's now like 2 or maybe 3. It's probably almost 3 because it was like 2 when we actually started getting up. Because we stayed up till 4 a.m. last night because we're all night owls, so it's honestly fine. But we have to go to the Brooklyn Bridge before the sun sets, so that's the plan. Here's today's fit. I'm gonna throw on a black jacket too, but I'm wearing this like skirt. So that's fun, and then some really warm leggings, and these. Hopefully I don't die, because these are like heels, but they're cute, so we're just gonna deal with the pain. You know, for being January, it's really not as cold as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like snowing and freezing, but I'm glad, because I didn't really pack winter clothes. Like, this is my only coat, but it's actually really surprisingly warm. Shout out Forever 21, like, you're the best. But we are on our way to the Brooklyn Bridge. We're gonna take the subway. Yay, so we successfully went through the subway, didn't get lost, made it to the Brooklyn Bridge. Here we are. Hey guys, things are going so well. We just took so many pictures over the last 2 days. I'll put everything in that we've taken so far. I got a pretzel because we're in New York and I have to. Yesterday we got $1 pizza, today we got a pretzel. Now I've done everything I need to do. And the Brooklyn Bridge was good. I'm gonna go to Chinatown because that's where Sophia wants to go. And we're gonna get food there too, so we just love food. So it's like freezing outside and we were like getting so cold. We stopped at Starbucks, got some hot chocolate, warmed up, and now we're gonna eat some food, but I'm not that hungry, so I might just take it to go. And then we're gonna walk around Chinatown a little bit maybe, and then take the subway back to our apartment. That's kind of like the plan right now, and possibly get some ice cream and just watch Netflix because well, I don't know about them, but I'm kind of tired, and even though we slept in until like 2, I don't know. We decided that Netflix and movies is gonna be essential. Wait, why did I just say Netflix and movies? Ice cream and Netflix. So we're grabbing some ice cream and we are just like taking forever. She doesn't know what kind
you guys help me pick?
Okay.
Tonight dough or half baked
Or Hello Tub with.
No, that you got the last one.
Hello Tub.
I didn't want chocolate.
Just kidding. Eats ice cream. We're healthy. Who cares?
Vacation calories don't count.
Vacation calories are they don't count.
Sophia?
I know I'm trying to get fit by LA, but like I'm in New York right now. Forgot to end that video, but we just went home, watched some movies, hung out. It was pretty good. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.